Hello, today I am going to make professional looking high quality PCB by using very easy method called ink toner transfer method. Let's get started. Here I am using Easy EDA software to design my own PCB. You can use any software to create PCB. Now export as PDF. Now open Photoshop. You can use any version. Create new design. A4 size 210-297 mm is of A4 size only. Now increase the DPI to 1200 and 16-bit. Now open Save PDF and here also set 1200 DPI and 16-bit. Now move to A4 size paper. Save as PDF and make sure all the setting is high. Once done, open your PDF with Adobe software and from software itself you have to print. By doing this, you will get option of actual size. Now select actual size and A4 size paper and print. Here for printing you need 180 GSM Glossy paper and laser printer, not inkjet printer. Inkjet printer will not work here. Once done with printing paper, here how it's look. This is FR4 Epoxy copper-clad, which is one of the best copper-clad. This is iron wool and this one is acetone. You have to clean copper-clad first so that all the oxidation layer and dirt get removed, and do it until copper becomes shiny. Once done with rubbing, now the time for toner transfer. This is acetone only. Align it properly. Put some acetone and start rubbing. You have to use plastic because doing with bare hand will peel off the paper. You need to rub strongly so that all the toner will deliver to copper clad nicely. And you have to do this 6 to 8 times. Let it dry. Now it's completely dry. Once fully dry, you need water. Simply you have to put the copper clad in the water and wait for a few minutes. Now the time to peel it off, but be careful, don't do with high pressure, otherwise it will damage toner. Now see how wonderful it's looking. Now the time for etching process. So you need two solutions. One is toilet cleaner or dilute HCl and another one is hydrogen peroxide 3%. And you have to take ratio of 3:1, means 3 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of toilet cleaner. Mix it. Now put copper-clad in the solution and shake it continuously until all the copper get dissolved. I think this solution process is neat and clean as compared to ferrite chloride, according to my point of view, isn't it? It took me about 15 minutes to complete this process. It's little time consuming process, so you can create shaking machine for this. See, 80% of copper get dissolved. Now see how wonderful it's looking. Not even a little bit of copper is left. Let's soak all the solution. Let's check using light. Is there any excess copper is left or not? See, not even a little bit. Now the time to remove toner of copper-clad. How beautiful it's looking now. Now the time for drilling process. Here I am using my homemade drill machine to make holes and I am using 1 mm bit here. Now the time to show you result. See the result, how professional it's looking now. Too good. So thank you for watching. I will get back to you with another video.